Have you ever walked into a home and felt instantly uplifted by the light? That feeling can make or break a sale. Realtors, listen up. Brightening your listings is a game changer. At TidyTex, we're here to ensure your properties don't just look clean, they look inviting. Our veteran-owned cleaning service in San Antonio specializes in preparing homes for sale, and we understand the critical role that lighting plays in making spaces feel warm and welcoming. A well-lit home doesn't just sell, it tells a story. Picture this. Potential buyers walk in, and the first thing they notice is how bright and airy the space feels. That's how you create an emotional connection. Our quick turnaround service means we can have your property sparkling before the first showing, just in time for those important open houses. And here's a quick tidy tip. Open all the blinds and turn on those lights before a showing. This simple step can make your listing stand out, enhancing the home's appeal without breaking the bank. Ready to elevate your sales game? Check the video description for more details and contact us today.